Here is a simple guide to help you purchase Kindle books from Amazon. So let's get started. So do not use the Amazon app in order to buy the Kindle books because it might show you that it is not available in the app version. So simply go to the desktop and go to the any web browser and search for the amazon.com or simply visit the official website. And once you do so, in the search bar, type the book title or author's name or simply type down the Kindle books option. Then here you'll be navigated to the list of Kindle books. Select the one you are interested in. Then you can see there is click on the buy now with one click button if available for quick purchasing. Then ensure the correct Kindle device or app is selected for delivery. So if using add to cart, complete your purchase by proceeding to checkout, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.